We had run out of money. Some of our investors threatening to sue us. We had stopped taking salaries. We did a first layoff, trying to raise more capital. We were effectively insolvent, as one of my investors articulately shared with me in one of our meetings. And I said, yeah, we might be on paper, but I don't think we're done yet. So we actually got an investor who were willing to give us $1 million. I would be out as CEO. They were going to bring their own person in and they were going to get a third of the business. I brought it back to my other co-founders and we all decided, screw that. We don't need their money. We're not going to give them a third of our company. We're onto something here. We can each individually deal with the pain of not taking a salary. We came up with this mantra. Instead of trying to raise capital, we're going to try to raise revenue. This novel concept of actually trying to make more money than we spent.
I love that. Don't raise capital, raise revenue. Everybody thinks the backup plan is raise revenue and everybody just wants to raise money. It's the worst thing to do because then you have a completely different amount of guilt on your hands.